shirt on. What's up, baby? How you feeling? And I see you right there, baby, with your hands up, waving at me right there, the red and then the orange. And I see you, my man, with the Red Sox fitted and the Meow shirt on. I see you, baby. Oh, yeah, you want to hold on, stop the music one time. Hold on, stop the music. Is that your girl? That's love. You gotta give her a kiss or something. You at the drink show. You got, yeah. Hey, listen, let me tell you something. Hold on, wait. You bought the Drake tickets, my man. You gotta reap the benefits tonight. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, it's that time. You know what I'm saying? Thank me later, no pun intended. I see you, baby, in the glasses tonight. What's up? I see you with the leather shirt on, baby. What's up? I see you. I see you with the OVO XO. Y'all make some noise for that XO one time. Make some noise for the weekend one time. I see you with the Would You Like a Tour poster right there. I see you wilding out, my man. I see you in the aisle right there. What's up, man? I see you with the heat hat on. I see you with the Red Sox jerseys right there. Blowing me kisses. You know you want it all. I wish you baby. What's up? I see you, my man, with the tatted up sleeve. With the beautiful girl right there. What's going on? How you feeling? I see you with the exclusive shirt on. I see you with the OVO. You already know. I see you with the nothing else to say. I see you with the listen, I'm not one of these artists who just wants to stay up on stage and stay in my own zone tonight. Not only do I want to see everybody in Boston, but I said make sure you can take me to the motherfucking top, because that's where the love is. Up top, what's up? Take me up so I can see my people up top one time. I see you, baby, right there in the green and the boxes right there. I see you wilding out, my man. I see you in the orange. Look at that. I see everybody right there. That looks like a happy family right there. Make some noise for them. All those ladies right there. I got the night off tonight. Y'all better let me know what you're doing, man. And all the dresses. I see this box right here going crazy. I see y'all in the corner right there. I see everybody. I see everybody up top. I can see everything. Look at that. I can see you in the red all the way at the back. I see you with the B sign right there, my man. I see you with the Halloween costumes on. You can't dress as